Today I'm reviewing the SmartDevil screen protector for the iPhone 16 lineup. And since it's SmartDevil, now I didn't used to be a fan of screen protectors because, when I buy an expensive flagship device like an iPhone 16 Pro Max, I want to touch that silky smooth screen. I mean, that's what I'm paying for, right? However, over recent years, these screen protectors have gotten a lot better. Not only do they look and feel more like an actual smartphone screen, but the application is so much smoother. So let's check this one out and see if it stands up. So first of all, it comes with 3 screen protectors. And that's great because if you've ever went to apply one of these for the very first time, you're gonna f it up. It has very clear instructions. You could even scan the QR code and it pulls up an installation video. I love that. There's also, of course, 3 accessories bags. This includes, of course, the wet wipe, the dry wipe, and the dust sticker. And I like how everything's very clearly labeled. 1, 2, 3. Their whole system seems like a no-brainer, like you really can't screw this up, unless you try. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the accessories. Let's start by cleaning my phone screen. Get that nice and clean. Then I'm gonna dry it really well. And then I'll use the sticker to get any remaining dust or debris. Okay, so it seems like you just place the phone face down in here. Pull the tab. All right, I'm afraid to open it. I hate bubbles. And there we go. Wow, actually this looks pretty good. I don't really see any bubbles here. Let me just try and get a really good look at this. Yeah, this is nice. All the edges and this looks great except for a little bit of dust I missed. I guess I should have cleaned the sides instead of just the top. It's actually hard to tell that the screensaver's even on my phone. It doesn't seem to affect my typing. It's very responsive to the touch, games. Let's try fingerprint resistance. Well, there's still a little bit. I don't think you can get rid of that 100%. It also claims to be scratch resistant. Oh wow, look at that. That's great. And it's supposed to be waterproof too. Oh wow, look at it just pull right off there. That's crazy. And the screen still works. Wow. I have to say, I'm pretty impressed here. I'm gonna save these other 2 for a rainy day. So yeah, this is a great product. For someone like me who does not wear screen protectors, I don't know, maybe they're gonna convert me. Huge thumbs up for SmartDevil. I like the name too. If you want to purchase the SmartDevil screen protector, there's a link in the description, and I've included a discount code as well. Not sure how long that's gonna last. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.